Understanding promotional offer, an easy guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a very common phrase in the world of shopping and marketing: promotional offer. This phrase is often seen in advertisements, emails, and stores, but what does it really mean? Let's find out together. Promotional offer is a term commonly used in the marketing and retail world. It refers to a special deal or discount provided by a company on their products or services. These offers are designed to attract customers and increase sales. They are not permanent and usually available for a limited time. For example, a store might have a promotional offer of buy one get one free on a particular item. There are various types of promotional offers. Some common ones include discounts, a percentage off the regular price. Buy one get one free, BOGO. You get an additional item for free when you buy one. Coupons, special vouchers that give a discount when purchasing a product. Free samples, small portions of a product given for free to try before buying. Limited time offers, special deals available only for a short period. Understanding these types helps in recognizing different promotional offers when you see or hear about them. Companies use promotional offers for several reasons. Attracting customers, special deals draw people's attention. Clearing stock, to sell products faster, especially if they are seasonal. Introducing new products, to encourage customers to try something new. Boosting sales, offers can lead to increased purchases. While promotional offers are appealing, it's important to use them wisely. Read the terms and conditions. Understand the offer's details to avoid confusion. Check the expiry date. Use the offer before it ends. Compare prices. Ensure it's actually a good deal compared to other stores or usual prices. Buy what you need. Don't get tempted to buy unnecessary items just because they are on offer. I hope this video has made the concept of promotional offer clearer for you. Remember, these offers can be great for saving money, but it's always good to be a smart shopper. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more English learning content. Happy learning and shopping!